Hello friends! Today we discuss about the waterfall model of SDLC. The waterfall model is a classical software development methodology that was first introduced by Winston W. Royce in 1970. It is a linear and sequential approach to software development that consists of several phases that must be completed in a specific order. Like feasibility study, system analysis, design, coding, testing, and finally operations and maintenance. This model is named Waterfall Model because its diagrammatic representation resembles a cascade of waterfalls. Did you know when to use SDLC Waterfall Model? When the requirements are well understood, very little change is expected in the future. This model, ideal for more manageable and small to medium-sized projects. Projects that are predictable, low risk, and able to be addressed early in the development life cycle. And regulatory compliance is critical. And client prefers a linear and sequential approach. Now, we discuss about advantages and disadvantages of waterfall model of software development, life cycle model. Advantages are easy to understand, properly defined. Clear milestones, properly documented reinforces. Good habits works well for smaller projects, and the disadvantages of waterfall model are no feedback path. Difficult to accommodate change requests, limited flexibility, limited stakeholder involvement, late defect detection, lengthy development cycle. Thank you for watching. Please